This is a full roll. That is a full roll, and there is yardage, well, meterage in the box. So I'm going to open it out now and show you what I've got. This is a tartan linen like viscose, and I've got 3 meters with that. Most things I've got 3 meters on, and I thought that's going to make a lovely pair of trousers and possibly a waistcoat or something. But for the price of it, I thought I can't go wrong. I could get 2 pair of trousers out of it, or 1 pair of trousers. I can get different things out of it because I've got 3 meters, and it was one of the most expensive things, which was £3 a meter. So that's £9. This is some black denim I have got for, I won't make Lurch a denim jacket. If he'll allow me to take his denim jacket apart to use as pattern template. And I have 3 meters of the denim, more than I need, but this one I liked when I saw it online, but now I'm seeing it in person, I like it even more. And this was £2.50 a metre, 3 metres, £7.50. That is a viscose. Yep, this was one that they go on the sale, and it's a satin fabric, and I've got 3 meters of it, £1.50 a metre, so that's £4.50 for 3 meters. Brilliant. This was another thing that go on the sale, which is navy blue polycotton, I think. Yep, navy blue polycotton, and as you can see, it's not sheer, you can't see your hand through it. It's brilliant, and that was 90p a metre, so I got 5 meters of it for £4.50. This one was also in the sale, and I thought it'd make a nice lightweight summer dress, and that's polyester fabric, and that was £1 a metre. Got 3 meters for £3. Can't go far wrong to have a dress and some left over. This blue grey polyester fabric was also £1 a metre, so I just got 2 meters of that, £2. The white satin fabric was just £1, but I do use a fair bit of it, so I've got 3 meters, so that's £3. Cream polyester fabric at £1 a metre, 3 meters, £3. This next lot of material is what's classed as a clearance bundle. There is 5 fabrics in here, and there's 3 meters of each for £10. So that's 15 meters of fabric for £10. That's like, I don't know how much that is, but I know it's less than £1 a metre. But I quite like this one. It's sort of, it's a knitted stretch fabric, and it's got like a pattern on it, so that'll make something nice for winter. 3 meters of that, 3 meters of that, other things here. I haven't looked at it, but this is what looks like light blue It's on stretch material. It's very lightweight actually, so that could make a nice knitted thing. Well, that can make a nice pair of leggings, top or dress, something like that. And for the equivalent of like £2, this fabric, I've actually had this before in a remnant pack I used to get from Abercorns, and what I was making didn't work out. I hadn't got enough of the fabric, and so didn't finish it. But now I can have another go because I do like this. It's sort of crinkly effect satin. There's no stretch to it at all, but it's quite nice. This is a nice one as well. This seems like another satiny polyester one, and green. I don't know what they keep sending me green through in these bundles. Don't know what I'll make this with, but I can use it, and for £2 for 3 metres, don't know what I use it for. Oh, this is what I primarily went online shopping for. My mother's been given this outdoor sofa, but the cushions on it are not very good. In fact, they're falling to bits. So I said I'd make her some more. It was her birthday the other day, so it will be a birthday present for her. I've just got to make them up now, but it's because there's about 10-11 cushions. I want them all to match, so I wanted to buy all the fabric at the same time. And they've got this full roll of lightweight calico. And there's 30 metres on the roll for £55, so that is going to be absolutely fantastic, and do all the cushion covers, and I'll have some left over, so I'm really pleased with that. And this one was the cheapest of them all. I love how they wrap these rolls up. They don't use any sellotape or anything like that. They sort of stitch it together. Now, I have got no need for this at all, but I could possibly use it. It looks like it frays like a good one. It is fairly sheer. You can just see your hand through it. Just so overshirts, anything like that, that would be a use for it. But there's 37 metres on here, and it was going for £5 for the whole lot. So I couldn't say no to it because I know I will use it. And I don't know how much that works out to, but it's next to nothing a metre. It's pence a metre. This is not an impulse buy, but I'm going to use it for something. Now to find space for it all to go. I've just started using some of my stash up, but thought I'd just share with you my what I've got. Thank you. Bye.